Hi everyone, I'm Amelia, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tossed and turned at night or felt completely overwhelmed by stress, don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you that the solution might be hiding in a tiny glass bottle? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of essential oils. Specifically, how to use them to calm your mind, reduce stress, and get better sleep. We're going to explore the science behind these oils, how they work, and 5 practical ways you can use them starting today. Stick around until the end for some fun tips. And yes, I'll throw in one good joke, because hey, relaxation includes a little laughter too. Let's get started. So, where did essential oils come from? Essential oils aren't just some trendy wellness hack. They've actually been around for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians were among the first to use them for medicine, cosmetics, and even embalming. Traditional Chinese and Indian Ayurvedic medicine also use plant oils for healing and relaxation. Fast forward to the modern era. Essential oils are now backed by research in aromatherapy, with studies showing their calming effects on the nervous system and benefits for sleep regulation. In other words, this isn't just hype. There's history and science behind the scent. So, how do they actually work? Essential oils contain aromatic compounds that interact with the brain through your olfactory system, aka your sense of smell. When you inhale an oil like lavender or chamomile, it stimulates the limbic system, the part of the brain that controls emotions and memory. Some oils also affect the production of neurotransmitters, like serotonin and dopamine, which help regulate mood and promote relaxation. And here's the cool part. Studies show that certain oils can reduce cortisol levels, which is your body's primary stress hormone. Translation: you feel calmer, more balanced, and ready for rest. Now let's talk specifics. Here are the top 5 essential oils for stress relief and sleep. Number 1. Lavender, the superstar of sleep oils. It's proven to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Number 2. Chamomile, calming and soothing. Chamomile isn't just for tea, it promotes deep relaxation. Number 3. Ylang ylang, helps lower blood pressure and anxiety. It also has a sweet floral scent. Number 4. Frankincense. This ancient oil promotes a sense of peace and grounding. Number 5. Bergamot oil, a citrus oil that boosts mood and eases tension. Great for early evening wind downs. And don't worry, these oils won't knock you out like a sedative. They gently support your body's natural rhythms. Okay, now that we know which oils to use, let's talk about how to use them. Here are 5 effective methods. Method 1. Diffusion. Use an essential oil diffuser to spread the aroma throughout your room. Add 5 to 10 drops of oil to water. Turn it on and breathe deep. Great for winding down before bed. Method 2. Topical application. Dilute your essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and apply it to your wrists, temples, or soles of your feet. A quick way to absorb the benefits through your skin. Method 3. Bath soak. Add a few drops of lavender or chamomile oil to a warm bath with Epsom salts. It's like a spa day at home, relaxing, detoxifying, and perfect before sleep. Method 4. Pillow spray. Mix distilled water with a few drops of oil in a spray bottle and spritz your pillow before bed. Lavender works wonders here. Method 5. Inhalation. No diffuser, no problem. Just put a drop or 2 of essential oil on your palms. Rub together, cup your hands, and breathe in. Instant calm. Quick joke break. Why did the bottle of lavender essential oil start a meditation podcast? Because it wanted to calm its audience, one sniff at a time. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Essential oils have a rich history dating back thousands of years. They work by interacting with your brain's emotional centers, lowering stress and promoting relaxation. Top oils for stress and sleep include lavender, chamomile, ylang-ylang, frankincense, and bergamot. You can use them through diffusion, skin application, baths, sprays, or inhalation. Remember, consistency is key. The more you incorporate these oils into your routine, the more your body will respond to their calming effects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a calming tip. And of course, share this with someone who could use a little more peace and sleep in their life. Let me know in the comments which oil you want to try first, or if you already have a favorite. Thanks for watching, and until next time, breathe easy.